Alright, good morning. We're out at Clinton Nature Preserve, Villa Rica, Georgia. And I wanted to see what we got going on over here. Like activity area, I think it's just straight this way. Ooh, that breeze. Okay, here we go. So that brings you to the trailhead. Blue, red. I don't know what the difference is. So, yeah, let's just go this way. Let's see where this takes us. Yellow. Oh shit. Nice little lake. Looks like there's a trail right there. Okay, let's stay on the yellow. Wish there was a little more signage that actually, pointed out which trails were where. But, this is literally pointing. Fuck it, let's go this way. Concrete Hill. If I remember correctly, Concrete Hill. I mean, I don't remember correctly. I've never been here. I think Concrete Hills are black. I don't know if I want to start with a black. Fuck it. Let me turn around. Let's see what happens. I can always walk. So I heard this place is a lot of more tech, less flow. And since a lot of the places I've been going to get a little bit more flow, I figured let's try some more technical trails. And which way do I go? Two roads. What's over here? Okay, that was wrong. That just took me right the fuck back out. Okay. I can go over that on the right. Alright. Let's try this again. We'll go right this time. You're good. Hi. It's leaves. Do not want to slip. Map here. Where am I? I'm up here. Ooh, I went high. Okay. Well, Helter Skelter's over there, which is what I wanted to do. So that's good. Okay, I guess I'll just keep going. Oh, that's gonna suck. Shit. Seat up. Whew. Huh. Huh. Okay, gonna fall. Alright. That caught me way off guard. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, this looks fun to go down. Ooh. I might need to just try and go down this. Walk back up, but this looks hella fun and hella techy. I like that. We've got something over here. I don't know. Nothing's really marked. I don't know where anything is. Come down this. Alright. Turn the camera off. Get back to the top. Okay. Alright. Now I want to come down it. I want to see how that is, and then we'll keep going, but was not ready for that. Apparently wasn't ready for that either. Ooh. This up. There we go. Ooh. 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 Oh. Ooh. Very slippy with the leaves. That was tight. Okay. This is still concrete. So I'm gonna go back up and then see where it keeps going. Alright, so that was cool. Came back up. I think, according to my little trail map, because the other map isn't really super helpful unless I just suck at reading. I think Helter Skelter is over this way, and that's the trail I keep hearing about. So that's what is that? Oh, there's more. This is a James Park. All this tech and no big dude to ride it. All right, then you come down that. Now I know I can do it. I just don't think I'm going to. Only because the last thing I want to do is hurt myself before I get to do anything else. So we'll skip that for now. There's 2 different paths here. I have no idea where any of them go. Left looks like more tech, right doesn't. Let's see what's over here. Let's go left real quick. Okay. Roots and rock stuff. Oh, okay. Those are some scary looking spiders. Those are the power lines. Wow. That's a pretty cool feature. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna do it. So many of the trails I've been riding out here have not been really technical. And I've been trying to take advantage because, you know, down in South Florida, there's not a lot of downhill, not a lot of flow. Fun trails, but, you know, wanted to take advantage of that, but I should get back into some of the tech because it'll be good. Haven't done any of it in a while, really, so okay. Okay, this is just a big fucking slab. Holy shit. Where the fuck am I? Oh, so the trail that goes that way. Some other stuff over here. There's something over there. What's going on over here? This is wild. Looks like there's something over there. Dude, I don't know where to go. There's so many options and choices. Well, definitely not gonna go down that. That's too steep. Do this way though. Put the seat back down. Okay, so there's more slab over that way. Holy shit, that's steep. Is there a trail over there? And there's this. It's off camber as fuck. I don't know where to go. Huh. Let me go back up and to the side. I mean, this is... If I was with my friends, I could spend hours just on this fucking slab. Going down different lines and steepness drops, all that stuff. Man. So there's more up there. I think Concrete Hill goes all the way up there when you finish it. I don't know what's over there. There is a trail. There's 2 options that are obvious from up here. There's a line over there. And there's also, looks like something that goes into the woods that way. So I'm gonna try going into the woods over that way first. Let's see where that gets me. If there's anything over here. Okay. Some more slab. Nothing obvious that I can see. Maybe over that way. I think that's the off-camber that I seen earlier. Okay, so no. Okay. This is wild. This is really cool. All right, let's go back. All right, so we'll just take, I'll take that. Holy shit. And you can climb up that? What the fuck? Where the hell? Okay. Let's see it back. Okay. Ooh. 3 different lines. That comes down. All right. Ooh. Huh. Let's see. What's going on down there? A creek to go down, and then just up. Where'd that other line go? Holy shit. Dude. I'm gonna try. I don't think I'm gonna get up that, but where's that other line go? Here's that other line. Let's go from here. Let's see. Oh, big rut. Oh, good. Ooh. Then I gotta climb. Fuck. I don't think I'm gonna. Nope. Oh, shit. There's a lot of fuckery going on over here. Let me go back. A lot of not trimmed stuff. So let me come back over here. Sorry for all the walking, man. Didn't thought it would be somewhat like, you know, I didn't know how unlabeled everything is. Like, they're like yellow trail. But you look at the trail map and I'm like, that doesn't feel like it doesn't line up. Back up this. Back to the top and see if I can figure out where I'm at. know you can go up all that. But, alright. Let's see. If my calculations are correct, and they're probably not, Helter Skelter should be somewhere over here where I had come out before. Which was up there. So maybe there's something over here. Oh, it's a cool little thing to practice drops. Nice little slab there. I'm not sure. Fuck it, I guess I'll just climb this shit. That don't sound good. Why are you making all that noise, old girl? Okay. So, more slab. But I don't know where to go. Over there. Maybe this? There's two trails here. There's two trails right here. Okay. On to something, Chief. How did I go even higher? Where the fuck am I? I don't know where the fuck I am. Alright. I'm gonna take one of these and hope it gets me to where I want to go. Let's see if both of these lead to the same place. Okay, they do. That's good. Alright. So let's see. Okay. Alright. This is where I was before. Alright, so this is where I was before. Pull this off. Going in circles. Alright. So if I go down this. Apparently, if I can go that way, there should be a turnoff to Helter Skelter. I don't know what the fuck. So I went up that way last time. Was there something else? Let me go a little farther before I... No, because that all goes up to that slab thing. I don't know where I'm going. Where'd I stop? Fuck. Man. Right. Right spot. I'm so fucking confused. I was off again. I'm just gonna turn this off. So, let's see. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Foot down. How to put the foot down. That's okay. We're all right. Oops. Oh, shit. I'm gonna rip that. Oops. Oh, okay. I could get over that if I had the speed. Rough. This side's a little bit easier. Do I want to try it? No, I'm gonna skip it for now. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's very difficult to see the trail through all the leaves. I think I'm over there. Oh, so it was that. Son of a bitch. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. So that was Helter Skelter, I think. Pretty sure. What goes over that way, though? Fuck it. We're back down here. In the slab. I could go down and do that steep uphill climb because there's another big loop out that way. But let's see. I popped something. That didn't feel good. What was that? No? Okay. That didn't sound good. That little divot is deeper than it looks. Okay. I'm like losing. I've really forgotten all of my technical skills. That would be pretty fun to go down. Down that way. Shit. Whew. Oh, what the fuck? Whew. Wow. As far as I can tell, everything is bi-directional too, so. Oh. I kind of want to hit this in the other direction. Come on, come on. Oh, oh my God. Oh, there's more. Fuck. Okay, I need a break. Oh, 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 wow. Whew. Quick fiver. Definitely going to, when I get to the top, take this all the way back down. Seems like it's a lot more fun the other way. Fucking beautiful day out though. Beautiful weather today. James, if you're watching, this might be a good place for you. So much rocks and roots and everything, and I'm not even fucking, haven't even explored everything. Oh man, they're burning, dude. Oh, I'm burning. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let me get to the end so I can just take this all the way back down. I turned into Batman all of a sudden. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, fuck. One seat up. Oh. Going down the other way, that's fine. I don't know why I stopped. Ooh. Fucking gassed, man. Dude, this truck kicked my ass. Fuck that. Yeah, I'm definitely hitting this in the non-desired direction. I'm sure you can get up that. You definitely can. Not me though. Every time I get to a point, I'm like, I should just turn around here. I'm like, no. Gotta see it through to the end. These fucking leaves. These definitely seem way easier to climb. I'm so tired. Oh, lost my pedal. The leaves are like fucking scaring me. Whew. Oh man. I think I just did. I don't know what the fuck that was. I don't know if it was Slim Shady. I think it was Slim Shady. Because that's Squirrel Terrace. Yeah, it was Slim Shady. Okay. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Take a little bit longer than a 5 here. And come back, we'll do Probably try Squirrel Terrace into Bridge Loop and then cut it. Whew. This place is fucking dope though. Took a little break. Got too much more in me. I'm gonna try and take Squirrel Terrace out. If I'm feeling good after that, I'll do Bridge Loop. If not, I'll take it out to the end. Yeah, I think this is technically the longest trail here, but I'm hoping it's mostly, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Ooh, the handlebars on that thing, the tree, that thing, the fuck. Okay. Oh, alright. Playing fuck Donald today. I did it though. Let's see a little bit more. There we go. Oh, that breeze is beautiful. Oh. Oh, I did it. Holy shit. Okay. Good. Doing good. Oh, fuck yes. I'm gonna assume it's that way. Or is it that way? I don't fucking know where I am. Again. Is there something over here before I go that way? No. Okay. Oh shit. Whew. Oh yeah. This is James Park for sure. Where the fuck do I go? Guess it's that way. There's a sign. Yeah, I ain't making it up that. Oh, fucking stickers. Okay. Guess it's this way. Oh. All right, we followed it. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Definitely. Whoa! What did I get stuck on? Holy shit. Oh, that took the wind right out of me. Wow. Oh, that hurt. Ooh. Fuck. I know there's a bi-directioner. We're next. Go either way. I'm definitely taking the harder routes. Ugh. At least now I have some semblance of direction, you know. I guess I'll be able to hit things in the semi-correct direction. I wanted to work out. I'm fucking getting one. Would like to come back and hit every trail I'm hitting right now in the other direction. I am hurting very badly. Haven't had a trail like this. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'm going to, maybe not. I'll walk. I'm just really gassed, man. I should have been taking this shit the other way. finally kind of getting my bearings here a little bit. Tried to figure, you know, the fastest way to get back out of here, because I'm definitely not going to be able to finish Squirrel Terrace. I'm way too gassed. I've done more than I usually do in a ride, so that's good. Getting better, getting my stamina back again. It's just, you know, it's the elevation that kills me. Just, I say it a lot, but being from South Florida, we don't have a lot. You know, we got those punchy fuck you climbs, but like nothing like what's out here. So Squirrel Terrace continues this way to the left, and apparently go up this way here. Bridge loop goes to the right and the left, but to the right is the quicker way back out to the front. So that's where I'm going to go and finish up this ride. So let's continue. It's a good sign, I hope. Ooh. Thought that a little too late. Kind of blended in. A lot of this shit reminds me of Markham, man. Still one of my favorite bike parks, places to ride. Figure out where I'm at real quick. Okay. Okay, I need to go this way. glad I got the ride in before it started heating up. And I mean, it's not super hot. What the fuck? That's probably the other side of Bridge Loop or something. That looks pretty cool. It's the only thing, man. Oh shit. Not a lot of stuff is labeled very well. Like, it might be labeled one way, but not the other. It's really, and like, the maps for the trails don't really line up on like MTV projects, so it's a little difficult to navigate. But still a really, really cool place. I showed up. Okay. All right. There's the road back to the to the parking lot. So, I'm at a different parking lot. That's where I am over there. Okay. Cool. Good. All right, guys. And this one here. Call that, despite me walking a whole bunch of that, I call that a success. Because like I said, definitely felt like I hit most of those trails in the non-optimal direction. So, and that slab feature. The slab is really cool. I definitely want to come back out here, do it again. And, you know, try and hit some of the stuff that I didn't get to hit before. But yeah, that's some trails that my brain's not working. I don't even remember where I am. But anyway, thanks for hanging out. Catch you on the next one.